So when you're done for the class period, you really want to make sure that you save your file. That's the most important thing. To do that, you can either click on your keyboard Command S, or you can come up here to your text box in the top and click File and Save. And that will pull up this box, this save box here on your computer. And we want to make sure that we've selected Pixlr Cloud and not My Computer. So if My Computer is highlighted, make sure you go down and click Pixlr Cloud. We've already named our magazine project, so we don't have to worry about that unless you just want to rename your magazine cover. We also already have it in a folder. It probably says Untitled, but we're going to see how to rename our folder in just a minute. What's really important is our format. It probably says JPEG on your screen, but we don't want to save it in a JPEG because a JPEG is just a picture of your magazine and it doesn't include all of your layers to work with. But we want to be able to come back the next day and work in all of our layers. So we need to click on the drop down arrow and come down to PXD Layered Pixlr Image and click on that and click OK. And that will save your file so that you're ready to work on it for the next class period. Whenever you come back and you're ready to reopen it, all you do is you sign into Pixlr, come up to File, Open Image Library, and you'll have a folder here. It probably says Untitled, but if you click on that, it'll pull up your files that you've saved. If you want to rename your file folder up here to something else, you just select it and make sure it's highlighted, come down here to Rename Folder, and then it'll bring up a text box for you to type. So you can rename it anything you'd like, magazine cover or your name or something like that, and you just click OK. That will rename your file. And so all of your day's progress work will be saved here in your file folder. Every day that you save your image, it will save a new file so that it shows your progress for each day. So you can see I have day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 images saved. So this last one here is my most recently saved image. So I'm going to click on that and click Open. And I can move this to the top and stretch it out. And I'm ready to continue working in the next day, and all of my layers are still over here in my layers panel.